Now, head coach at the MVP track and field club, Stephen Francis, says he didn't expect Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thompson to perform at her best at the Prefontaine Classic Diamond League meet at the weekend. Jordan Fort reports.
There are people I read yesterday where this gentleman, Paul Wright, Dr. Paul Wright, said that while he does not question my coaching, he believes I should yield to medical advice. But personally, I mean, I don't really interfere with his handling of his patients. I've never seen him looking at an asthma patient or a broken leg and suggested to him how he should fix it. I can't really see what qualification he has to be offering advice publicly as to how I should prepare Elaine or any other athlete. So, with the best within the world, and I know he probably means good, but he should understand that he knows nothing, and therefore use that knowledge in his public comments.
That's Stephen Francis reacting to sports medicine specialist Dr. Paul Wright, who spoke yesterday in a Gleaner article. Now, the 24-year-old Thompson, who became the first woman to win the sprint double at the Olympics since Florence Griffith joined her in 1988, has run for 7 consecutive weeks, including all 3 Diamond League races. And Francis says it's all part of the plan.
5 meets before the trials. Including all-comers meets. And, I am not going to go into the reasoning because that would be revealing my trade secrets. But suffice it to say, I'm quite comfortable with where she and the other athletes are. And, this is how I prepare my athletes.